Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Klipsch G-17 or G-17 Air Wi-Fi speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case this speaker is not connecting to Wi-Fi or it's not pairing or not syncing with your device, keeps disconnecting, not responding, etc. A hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this factory reset is if for whatever reason where you just want to wipe everything off of it so that you can then set it up and repair it with your devices like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. With the unit turned on, we're just going to come around to the back and we're going to find this reset button right above this USB jack, and we're just going to press and hold it. And while we do that, we're going to look at the little display button, the little display light, and when the display button when the wireless connect button turns red, we can go ahead and release this. And then you can just start up the setup process on this speaker as though it were brand new and just setting it up for the first time.